Today we have the 2017 Bmw X6. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel tank. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. We also have communication and media/radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are cream leather.